Hello students, today we are going to discuss the next subtopic from the unit number 10, page number 115. The subtopic is the power of a negative integer. Then write this subtopic and you have to do activity 1. Okay, when you are doing activity 1, I'll explain how to complete it. For an example, let's see the second row. The integer is negative 1. Okay, we have to find its second power. That means negative 1 to the power 2. That means negative 1 multiplied by negative 1. Then to take the value, here we have a sign also. Then we have to consider the sign also. So negative into negative, you know it is positive. Then multiply the numbers. 1 multiplied by 1, it is 1. So negative 1 to the power 2 is equal positive 1. Then its third power. Third power means negative 1 to the power 3. Negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1. Then consider the sign negative into negative, positive. Positive into negative, the sign is negative. Then 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. So the third power of negative 1 is negative 1. Okay, let's see the fourth one. Fourth power. That means negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1. Okay. Negative into negative, positive. Positive into negative, negative. Negative into negative, positive. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. So the fourth power of negative 1 is positive. Likewise, you have to fill the table given in activity 1. Okay, write the question also. After that, there's a pink color cage given in your textbook in page number 115. Let's read this one. The first point is the value of any power of a positive integer is positive. Okay? When we have a positive integer instead of this one, if we take any value, the value will be a positive one. Okay? We don't have to consider the sign when we have a positive integer. ධන නිකිලයක මොන බලය ගත්තත් ලැබෙන උත්තරේ ධනම තමයි. Okay? Then the second point, the value of an odd power of a negative integer is negative. Odd power means ඔත්තේ බලය. ඔත්තේ දර්ශකයක වටිනාකම ඍණලු. බලන්න. This one, it is an odd power. Then the sign is negative. So when we have a negative integer and an odd power, the answer will also come in negative. Then the third point, the value of an even power of a negative integer is positive. Here 2 is an even power. For even power, දෙක ඉරට්ටේ හතරත් ඉරට්ටේ. ඍණ සංඛ්‍යාවක ඔත්තේ බල ඍණ වෙද්දී ඉරට්ටේ බල අනිවාර්යෙන්ම ධනාගයක් ගන්නවා. Then after writing activity 1, you have to put a star mark and copy down these 3 points given in this pink color cage. Now let's see example 1 and 2 given in page number 116. What is the first example? Find the value of negative 2 to the power 4. Example 1. It is in your book. 2 to the power 4. Then how to find? Negative 2 into negative 2. You have to expand and write it. Okay? Like this. Then find the value. Negative into negative. Positive. Positive into negative. Negative, negative into positive, positive. Okay, instead of taking this negative positive thing, you can just take the power is a even one. බලය ඉරට්ටේ සංඛ්‍යාවක්. ඒ හින්දා ඍණ අගයක් එන්නේ නැහැ. ධන එකක් එන්නේ. එහෙනම් පොසිටිව් දාගන්නත් පුළුවන් නැතුව ලියන්නත් පුළුවන්. එහෙනම් ඊළඟට values විතරයි. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16. Okay, then answer is positive 16. Okay, or you can just take 2 to the power 4, 16. Why is that? Negative into the fourth power, it is positive 1. Okay, now let's see example 2. There's a different method in the textbook. Okay, I'll explain this one in the method given in your textbook. Negative 5 to the power 3. How to find the value without doing this expansion? Okay, if it is difficult for you, you can expand and find the value like this. Okay, now let's see. We have a negative in this negative integer and a odd power here. ඍණ අගයක් ඔත්තේ බලයක්. හරි. එහෙනම් අපි දන්නවා ඍණ අගයක ඔත්තේ බලයක් නම් උත්තරේ ඍණ. ආන්සර් එක ගන්නෙ කොහොමද? මේක 5 into 5 into 5 න. then 5 to the power 3. then 5 to the power 3 is 125. The answer is negative 125. The other method is අපි නිකන් හදනවා නම් expand කරලා මේම ලියලා ගුණ කරලා ගන්න. ඍණයි ඍණයි ධන ධනයි ඍණයි ඍණ. 5 5 25 25 5 125. Same thing. Okay. Can use any method from these two. That's all. Then complete the exercise 10.2 and also you have to do the miscellaneous exercise